Whew. Chat. This is a prime example of how hot it is in the South. The squirrels don't even want to be squirreling. Yeah, I'ma lay down right here. I ain't going out there. Have you seen out there? Have you been out there? I ain't going. Near pecan, near acorn. I ain't getting it. Chill right here. Oh my God, did she just lean into it? She think nobody's watching. I mean, she literally just came over here and popped a squat. Like, don't you have work to do, girl? I think she hears something. She perched though. Oh, she heard something. Oh no. Is she gonna leave? Is she gonna stay? What you gonna do, girl? I'ma rest right here. I ain't going back out there. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna lay right here. Oh my gosh! Spread eagle. I mean, she got all fours just laid out. Not a care in the world. That's what I'm talking about, girl. It is too damn hot.